puppy. I'm getting the sun this weekend, so I had to prepare the house for him. So I already have a cage from my mom, so I'm gonna set that up. But I'm first gonna go to Petco. Well, actually, first I'm gonna go Chick-fil-A. I'm starving. Like, I'm so hungry. But I want to. It's so hot out there that I need some water. So, and then I gotta pre-proof the house, like close that in. The pampas grass is probably gonna be gone. So, I already got a dog bowl and stuff for him. So, I'll see you guys at Petco. So I'm on my headband, y'all, but I want to show you guys what I got. I got him some bacon cheese dog biscuits. A soft toy, because I don't know. I know if they're going to be teething, but in case he wants something soft. And then a rope off sleeve, because he's a pit bull. But this is a soft and replenish puppy shampoo. They didn't have a conditioner to this one, so I guess you don't need a conditioner. And then I got him a rib. And my dogs used to, they still do love it. Section of, under my stairs where my Wi-Fi is, and I gotta get a shelf for these weights. But where my Wi-Fi is, so I was just gonna move basically this shelf from over here to here anyway, because I was gonna get something covered so that the shoes don't show, so that way he's not biting the shoes. So I'm gonna buy another console table that's covered so he won't bite that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it over so that way I get it all over with. So for right now, I just leave it like this. But that's just how it looks like right now with that. I might get some cubbies for him. Oops, someone calling me. And then I gotta get something for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Here you do.
That's a lot. There you go.
Can't come back.
guys, I just gave Nino a bath. It's bad stuff. So he's extra hyper. So I'm babysitting today, so make sure to get everything put away. I got Nino some of the stuff that I bought. So I bought this water bottle. So basically, you put water in here, and it's actually a filter. So if you do use the sink water, but Nino's bougie and he drinks bottled water. But then there's a button. You just want to unlock it like that. And then once you do this, water comes out. You press the button, water comes out, and he'll be our taste tester.
Go ahead and taste it. Taste the water.
Not the string, the water. Okay, we'll just put it in here. Rude. Okay, but that's basically how it works. And then so I did buy some towels on Amazon, and I thought it was one, but it came with 6. So I'm actually getting 2 to my mom because she has 3 dogs. And then we bought a pack of tennis balls, and yeah, I'm giving these to her too. And I bought some cookies, some Halloween treats for the doggies too. He already got these, so he's fine. Nino loves car rides. He loves to sit in my lap, which is very dangerous, but he's a dangerous man. No! And he did learn how to do handshake, so I'll show you guys that. Look, he already knows. Sit. Handshake! Good boy! I'm recording, so it's hard to film him do it, but always constantly looking at this mirror. I'm like, what the heck? How are you behind me at the same time? And I see you. But let's see if he'll do it. Here he goes.
Oh, who was that? That wasn't me.
This is his tennis ball. I don't think he's ever seen a tennis ball because he's like, what the heck?
Yay!
And he loves his toys. I've never seen a dog so... Oh, there he goes again.
You don't know which one to play with first.
So yeah, I'm gonna drop this off to my mother's house. Me and Nino. He is still contagious, so he can't meet my dogs back home yet. So he does end on Tuesday night, so basically Wednesday, so he can see them Wednesday. And my dogs are not too friendly anyway, so you ain't missing out, boo. This is one of the candles that my mom actually made. It's so freaking cute. It's crystals in it. This one smells like cotton too. It smells so good. Alright, let me get on before they come in. Treats as we go, so that way he knows that it's good to pee outside. Wait! He's now sleeping outside the cage, but if you keep peeing, you're going back. And the cage is a lot smaller that he sleeps in. But he's been sleeping through the night, and he's a little snorer. Okay, Nino has his vest on. He's a little tugger. Stop. Come here. And I actually have a fake plant, guys. That's fake. That's yay! Look. But he's driving. Can't have anything to myself, guys. Good thing my mom lives down the street. I guess we'll just have to drive like this. Do you have my keys on you? I can't. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, come on, Nina.
Alright, what movie you want to watch?
Not you.
Oh.
You okay?
How you gonna get out? Boo boo. Look, you knew it was open. Crazy boy. Come on, Nina. Come on. Come on. He eats so fast.
Said you ain't going nowhere.
Can I get my keys?
Yup. This man hilarious.
I'ma get you.
Huh?
I'ma get you. Get my keys. Are we watching TV?
A long time ago. They kind of went on a rampage, being crazy. This macho thing is overrated.
Can he not see me?
Else in life, he's all that.
Nino.
Get my life back.
He really don't know where I'm at.
Nino is getting his first pup cup. Okay, Nino's first pup cup. Okay. Damn. You gotta put your nose in, Pooks. Look. There's still some in there. You're not getting anything. Look. Here you go. Oh, oh, oh. So I went to the dollar store. I got these ghosts. I thought it was 4, but it actually was 8. But I got him a new toy. Where is it? He's obsessed with my stuffed animal, so I gave him this. We'll see how it looks. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see what to do with these. Take this. And then put another ghost. Look at this bad stuff. I just can't. Something like that. To replace or refill dog food. Grilled chicken, vegetables, filet mignon. Let's do it here.
When someone says it's just a dog, but that dog is your whole world.